Hey, it's A Automotive Reviews, and we all know that the all-new F-150 Raptor debuts February 3rd, 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern. And we're going to talk about today the third generation F-150 Raptor, the spy shots, and how it shows the upgraded tech features. But before we do that, I just wanted to go over that the all-new 2021 Ford Raptor, the F-150 Raptor that is, it debuts February 3rd. Now the third generation F-150 Raptor shows the upgraded techs and features. Now in recent days, we've been treated to a slew of third generation F-150 Raptor spy shots, revealing all sorts of interesting details about the forthcoming off-road focused pickup. Now these latest pictures are no exception, as they give us not only a good feel for the Raptor aggressive stance, but also some evidence that the third generation F-150 Raptor will come packing with some serious tech upgrades over the current outgoing model. Now when viewing this particular Ford Raptor prototype from the front, there's clear evidence of the force sensor. The cameras mounted in the front bumper. An additional force sensor camera unit can also be seen in an undisguised rear bumper. It appears that the F-150 Raptor will utilize some tech upgrades to see and sense its terrain, likely matching some of the new tech employed on the Ford Bronco and the up-and-coming GMC Hummer EV. This is just straight up awesome news by Ford Authority, folks. Now, in the 2021 Ford Bronco, the sync system displays the available 360-degree camera system with off-road spotter views to provide additional visibility in technical pursuits such as rock crawling, advanced topographic trail maps, and more than 1,000 curated trail maps are powered by content from NeoTracks, Accuterra Maps, Trail Off-Road Trail Guides, and FunTrack Trail Guides. Now, these new photos add to what we already know about the next generation Raptor, including the fact that it will ride on the brand new coil spring suspension with its Fox shocks moved ahead of the rear axle, which Ford Authority first reported back in August. Now, the truck wheel arch design is different as well, as are the lights located in the wheel arches, but it will retain a signature Ford script front grille. Now, the third generation Raptor will be available with two different engines, either a more powerful version of the Ford new 3.5-liter Power Boost V6 hybrid, or a revamped version of the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, high output used in the last generation F-150 Limited and Raptor models, and a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8 from the 2020 Ford Mustang Chevy GT500, detuned a bit to somewhere between 725 to 750 horsepower. That is scandalous, folks. And it's also possible that the next generation Raptor will drop the Super Cab configuration and be offered only as a Super Crew pickup. As far as when we'll see the next generation F-150 Raptor, it's expected to launch for the 2021 model year, though we have our doubts about that. We don't know if it's going to happen soon. Stay tuned, folks, and just know one thing. That February 3rd is the day, folks. It's the day when this new baby come out, the all-new 2021 F-150 Raptor. February 3rd, 11 a.m. Eastern. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.